Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the place value. Okay, here this is our value. Value means amount, पैसे कितने कीमत उसकी. Value means कीमत. Okay, so here we will see an example. In example number 1, the number given is 24. So we will write here ones and here tens. Clear? This we have already learned in the last video. So here 4 is at ones place. So we will write here 4. And here 2 is at tens place. So we are going to write here 2. Next here, what it is mean, ones means any number multiplied by 1 only. कोई भी नंबर है जो 1 से हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. And here tens means any number which is written here we are going to multiply it by 10. हम उसे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So here first we will multiply 4 ones are 4. Okay, and here 2 tens are, wait, 2 tens are, see here we are going to write 4 multiply 1. So what it will be our answer? 4 ones are 4 only. Clear? So we are going to write here 4. Any number multiplied by 4 is 4 only. Same number. Now here we are going to write here the number is 2. So we will multiply 2 multiply by tens. It is at tens place, so we are going to multiply with 10. So 2 tens are 20. Okay, 2 tens are 20. We are going to write down here. Now this is what we have written here. This 20 and this one 4. This is our value. ये हमारी कीमत है. मीन्स हमें हमारे पास 24 में क्या है, एक 20 रुपीज़ का नोट है और एक 4 रुपीज़ है. ओके, 20 रुपीज़ नोट एनी हाउ, 10 के 2 हों, 5 के 4 हों, कैसे भी हों, 20 रुपीज़ है हमारे पास और 4 रुपीज़ खुले हैं, है ना, छुट्टे हैं, कॉइन्स हैं. कॉइन और रुपी 1 to 2 rupees coins, that is in that total we are having total amount. टोटल जो पैसे हमारे पास कीमत है जो हाथ में हमारे है वो 24 रुपीज़ है. क्लियर? Now see here, this you have understood. Okay, this is our value. This you have to underline it. Clear? Now ये है हमारी मेन तो वैल्यू. Okay, now suppose that in exam the question may come in a different way, in different format, then what you will do? अगर क्वेश्चन हमारे एग्जाम में दूसरे तरीके से लिखा हुआ है तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? जस्ट सी बिलो मीन्स here again here 24 is given. Clear? Again here 24 is written. So how we are going to write down this? 4, here 4 is at ones place, 4 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. So 4 ones are 4. So we will write here 4 ones. Okay, and here 2 tens. So 2 tens. Let me write in text way only. It will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, so here 4 we will write 4 ones. It is going down. Let us come back. Okay, I will make it clear. Make it side. Now see here, we may write here in this way 4 ones, or even we can write 4 like this. Anyhow we can write. Now here for 2, for next tens place, we are going to write here in this way 2 tens, or 2 tens are 20. So we can write here in this way also. Clear? Now suppose in exam the question may come in this way here. See here how it is here. It is in this box. In this way you may have to write in the box also. आपको बॉक्स में भी लिखना पड़ सकता है. No problem. Same way, same thing is there. Again here 4 ones and here 2 tens. Clear? So we will write here 4 ones are 4 is at ones place, so 4 ones are 4, and 2 is at tens place, so 2 tens are 20. So we are going to write here 20. Clear, dear? Now let us take another example. Second example. It will be more easy now. It is for you to understand. Again we will write here ones and here we will write tens. The number given is 90. So at ones place is 0. 0 multiplied by 1. 0 multiply 1. Suppose any number multiplied by 1 is equal 0 ones are any number. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 0 मीन्स कुछ नहीं है, तो हम किसी भी चीज़ कुछ नहीं को अगर एक बार बोलें तो भी कुछ नहीं, और 10 बार बोलें तो भी कुछ नहीं. सो 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 इज आवर आंसर इज 0. क्लियर? नाउ here 9 multiplied by 10. So 9 tens are 90. Clear? Nine tens are 90. So 90 is our value. Okay? Here also you can write here 0 ones. Wait, here I will write with text. Here again 0 ones. Okay? ONES ones. Wait, dear, wait. It is going little bit down. Cancel. We will this. Now see here. Here 0 ones. Okay? ONES 0 ones. Or by slash we can write 0 only. Clear? Here come down here. Yes, here it is 90. 9 is at tens place. So we are going to write here 9 tens. Wait, again it is going down. So here 9 tens. TENS tens. Or we can write here 90 direct. Here same thing is there. It is just shown in arrow. यहाँ पे आपको ये एरो में, इस एरो में दिखा रहे हैं इस एरो के तरीके से दिखा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे आपको बॉक्स बना के एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जा रहा है. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. क्लियर? So same answer we will write here also in the box also. 0 multiplied by 1, 0 only our answer will be there, and 9 multiplied by 10, ones. If you want you can write here ones and tens. Clear? So 9 multiplied by 10, 9 tens are, our answer will be 90. Okay dear, now I think this is clear to you. अब हमें ये जो है ये हम निकाल रहे हैं, ये वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं, कीमत निकाल रहे हैं, है ना. Now